how to get free items in Roblox for your avatar. So first you want to open up your browser and sign into your Roblox account. And then you will need to go to the Marketplace tab. And under All Items tab here, you want to click on it and select the specific item type you want. So for example, if you're looking for free accessories, you want to check accessories. You can also keep it on all items if you want to see everything. So let's keep it at all items and click on apply. Now click on any price drop down right here, and in the max price specify 0 and click on apply to apply the filter. And as you can see, this will currently show you all of the free items available in the marketplace that you can get. So you'll simply choose any item that you want and click on add, and it will be added to your cart. Now you want to go to your cart and click on buy and click on get now, and like that it should be the purchase is complete and it should be added to your inventory. So if you want to go to inventory, and then if you go to bundles section, you should see the item that you just got from the marketplace, which is this one. And it's as easy as that. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.